this button does. This button changes the temperature. Okay. So I'm gonna do this section with a regular brush like this, and then I'll do the other sections with the attachments that they give us. And we're gonna do it on 140. Smells a little plasticky, probably because it's new. Attachment on here on the blow dryer. Just a twist. It's the normal. Give it more of a direct blow as well. Clips. That was with no brushing through. And got it pretty straight with just that attachment on there. It was just me going like this with it. So yeah, that's good. Let's go ahead and everything. So this is this compared to this part, as we see the shrinkage. It's like a magnet actually. It's magnetized. It doesn't click or anything, but it's magnetized. Same with this one. Magnetized top, like that. Yes, but you can still turn it in the direction. Get the blow dryer smoke at 180. Not smoking, but like, you know, when you blow dry your hair, you can see that you get that at 180. So this section, it did pretty good too. Nice. Makes me want to just go. That's 180. The other one was something else, but that's 180. Shoot, that's not even as hot as the other blow dryers be, you know? Which is great, and it's dry because we don't want it more. Yeah. We don't want heat damage. Okay. And now for the diffuser. It's hard to do the diffuser, but what we're gonna do is just gonna wet over the hair just a little bit. Usually like about this, like this when you're about to diffuse your hair, so. We're gonna do that. And then just put some heat protectant on it anyway. We're still using a blow dryer. Okay. I'm diffuser, look like a blowhorn. So let me, interesting. So there is a button here. This button, if you can see the things, it's making these longer. But I don't know why. So let's see what it says. Adjustable diffuser evenly disperses airflow to dry curls gently and help reduce frizz. Recommended for use on the low temperature and flow settings. It can be used for curly hair styling. You want to put the things, to have them down for curl drying and have them up to reach the root for curl fast and, let me read. Have them up to reach the root of curl for fast drying and volumizing. Okay, we just want to get they're down now. And it says low heat is what it recommends, I think. Make sure. On low temperature. So we're gonna do 140 for the diffuser. And then I should thicken things, okay? And with the diffuser, you just take the hair, put it in here like this, and like that. That's it. And girlies that do this all the time, I see them go like different sections. Put it in here, go back. Maybe it needs to be higher. Like we can see a comparison. So this is with the diffuser. I don't like it that much, but you see it gives you more volume. And then this is without the diffuser right here. And it doesn't give you that much volume. So that's what I think, you can hold your head up like this. That's what the diffuser is supposed to do. It's supposed to volumize and dry. Okay, we are next testing out this Ring Plus Iconic Hair Straightening Comb by the same brand, TYMO. Don't know.
TYMO.
My mom says TYMO, but it could be TYMO. Who knows? TYMO!
It did not come from TYMO. No.
This is just coming here. Some more clippies. And this is a
for the ear. Isn't that for the ear?
This is like a brush. I'm gonna open it in a second so y'all can see it. And then this is the TYMO, the whatever. Okay. Let's see. This is just a brush. It's like one of those scalp brushes. The bristles are already bent. So this is gonna be not good. This is trash. It looks cute. Well, so you don't burn yourself. I'm confused because I thought this was just. So we're going to, it's blinking the 3 dots. Turning it on. It's on, it says 62 right now. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's upside down. There we go. So now that's 410, I'm pressing the plus button. It goes all the way down to 250 and goes all the way up to 410, which we won't be using. So we're gonna go to 250. And I hear it. I hear it starting up. Can y'all hear it? Don't look at your face. Okay, so this is not hot right here. Maybe it will be, but it's not right now. I'm thinking it's the things on the inside. So let me try to get it focused. These on the inside here, these little silver things inside, I think these are the things that get hot in there, not these. Because this is not hot.
More modernized straightening color.
Yeah. So maybe it's hot already. Who knows? We don't know if it's hot enough yet, but we're gonna just try and see. It's on 250. It's probably not hot enough. Oh, it's hot. Okay, TYMO. That was just me doing the 2 passes. Okay, TYMO. But now it feels like I can just go through the whole head, right? Okay, that was 3 passes with the TYMO.
On 250.
On 250. I like that. It's good enough, you know, when you're trying to like detangle your hair before you get your hair braided, y'all. I'm just saying. But let's see. I'm gonna turn it to 270. I'm turning to 270, and then I'm just gonna like do the whole half because I feel like I can do this whole half a head with this, like this. I'm still confused about why they have me with the glove on, but.
Because if you may turn it up higher, it probably would.
I just don't see, if this gets hot, this is bad. You know, if this part gets hot, this is bad. And this is the only part I'm holding. So I pray that this doesn't get hot. No. Maybe it's for the hair.
Yeah, when you're touching the hair.
So maybe it's supposed to be on this hand.
Yeah, I don't think it's for machine. I think it's for your hair.
Yeah. But good thing is, it's a left and a right hand glove. So this side is this way. And if I had it on this hand, it was fine because it was on this way. So they need to make gloves like this more often. They're scary. All right, I just brushed it and putting this right on there. I didn't part it or anything. I just want to see what it can do for us when we're trying to be quick. Okay. It's doing something, Mama. And I'm sure if we had it up higher, it would even more. And I'm also sure that if we, oh. I wish this had teeth, right? Maybe little pointies. TYMO, put some teeth on here right here so we can get through the hair. Okay, now. I don't know. Why does it want to act like that? You definitely have to make sure the hair is separated so it can get through it like a comb, because there's no teeth. There's no teeth on it for it to comb the hair through. So like now I'm trying to get through this and it won't go through because there's no teeth. Okay, I think we should turn it higher. 330. Yeah. Just to see if it gets it any straighter than this.
And it does.
And it goes as high as 410, people. So for people that don't really like need the bone straight hair, this is good. But I just really wish it had teeth. Cause then it would just make more sense, you know, like to just comb through, comb through, comb through. Maybe if it had teeth, it would be hot. I don't know.
I'm impressed.
Is it hot?
Okay. So I'm impressed because it makes it so much quicker than how I have to blow out my hair, then I have to flatten it out. I mean, this right here, I may not even have to use a flat iron because that's what this is. Unless I just need it silky, silky straight, and I'm not wanting that right now.
Okay. But slow and steady wins the race. I have some skills, so I kind of know what to do. But the slower you go, the better it's gonna get it straight. So you see, I'm holding it, and I'm kind of firm with me pulling the hair, so it can like stretch it out while it's straightening it. That is definitely something you should do if you're gonna use this. Because again, there is no comb action to really get inside of there, so you need to be able to grab the hair with your hands and put this in there like that. So if you put I'll show y'all up here on this piece, probably can see a little better. So if you put it on here, as long as I didn't turn it off, no. And you go like this, it's gonna give it a bump. But yeah, so, and that obviously is straightening the ends more doing that too, because it's actually getting up in there with the heat, with the hot part, which is the part on the inside. And it's smoking a little bit, but that's okay. It's normal stuff. But yeah, that works. I'll do this right here. I think that 310 is fine. I mean, I'm sure if you did 410, that's okay. But I think 310 is okay. That definitely
Depends on how straight you want your hair.
Right. Oh, this part right here. Let's see if we can do something with this part. I definitely see it working with people that have more silky straight hair. I see it working real easy for people with silky straight hair. But it's definitely working with people that have curly hair too, as y'all can see. That part got straight. Not curly anymore. And you said it's not hot, right? Can't feel that? Yeah, so. I'm sure this is really good for people with kids with a whole lot of hair. Because they always crying about stuff being hot or whatever, so.
Makes it more manageable.
I mean, to me, it gets pretty close to the roots. It's not gonna do like a hot comb, but it gets pretty close.
Yeah.
And the fact that this is not hot is great because that means you can really try to get the hair up in there. This side with the TYMO. The TYMO Ring Plus Iconic Hair Straightener Comb at 310. Temperature 310 on hair that has shrinkage.
Extra.
Yeah, there you go, look. I like that. That's pretty good. Definitely a good detangle if you were to come get your hair braided from people, detangle your hair. I'm just saying. And then there's the other side for y'all to compare. Definitely is a difference. And this was just blow dry. We didn't do anything with it, but this is good. I like this. And there's some people that wear their hair like this, right? Yours is still poof up. But this is straight. This is not even, this is easier to pull in ponytails. This is nice. Okay, let me just time off. Oh yeah. And then turn the chair around so I can see the other side. You can go the other way. Yeah, there you go. Nice. That way you can really see the difference. TYMO's gonna like this video. Because they're gonna be able to see the difference in that and that with their product. All right. All right, y'all, we're gonna do the other side on 350. Let's do the other side on 410 just to see if it gets it fine. Sound good? Yeah, I'm gonna get this little for you to see. Oh, it came with a bag too. Is it velvet?
That's cool.
I almost like that better than blow dry. I do like this though. Okay, this gets a little warmer at 410. It's not hot, like I'm sitting here, but you don't want to hold it. So 410, as we can see, scoot over some. One pass and it was already trying to do something. So 410 is definitely hotter. That was hot. You felt that? Okay. That's it. Yeah. 410 makes it quicker. And it seems like it gives it a little more silk. The silkiness to it when it's higher. 410 is definitely hotter. I need a glove. I need the glove for that one. 410 is hotter.
It makes it silkier though.
It does. Yeah. But I mean, that's expected because it's hotter. You know what I mean? It's hotter. But it just makes it straighter rather because it's hotter. It's definitely hotter. I still think 410 is kind of high because shoot, our things back in the day only did 350. Not back in the day, but just like my flat iron at home, I think it's maybe 350. I think yours.
Straightening combs are right.
Yeah, true. I'm trying so they can see me on the back here. What you need? TYMO, don't put this on your page without talking to me first.
They have to talk to you.
Yeah. Because they will steal your video off YouTube real quick.
Oh, okay.
They will steal your video real quick and be like, oh yeah, this is one of our customers. You better get in my business email.
What's that on?
And it'll be in the description, just in case.
like that straight. I like that straightness better than the right side.
Yeah.
No, I don't like the fact that it just seems like it glides right on over there.
It does. It really does. So I said they need to get some teeth on there. Cause it's still not hot, right? Yeah. So if they can keep the same system, this is not hot on the scalp. So if you could just add teeth right here, game changer.
I think they do have one. Would you ever order that one?
That just, you can't just straight.
Are they?
Yeah.
Where? My kid is straight.
Trying to see if this little cali part when it gets straight.
Thinking about letting my hair grow now. Cause I like color.
Well, then keep the color then. Oh, it's definitely doing. You see it? Come this way so they can see that. All right. Yeah, 410 is gonna get you that, you know, that flat iron kind of look for sure. It's gonna get it more, gonna get it flatter at the roots with 410. Yeah, that's flat. There you go, people.
TYMO.
TYMO.